Hey guys, Benison here.
And I'm Lauren, and this is Taste Off. It's a show where you guys challenge us to recreate your all-time favorite restaurant dishes.
We'll go to the restaurant, try them, come back, and in 30 minutes, try to cook it to the best of our ability.
And then the challenger will come back and tell us who did a better job.
It's probably gonna be me.
Pretty sure it's me.
Oh, bring it. Yo, yo!
What's up?
Another day,
another
challenge.
Yep, I'm ready.
Yo, I'm prepping so long. I got this amazing video.
Okay.
Okay, let's watch this.
Hey guys, my name's Ethan, and my favorite dessert in Los Angeles is the Caramel Pretzel Chocolate Chunk cookie from Cookie Good. And I challenge you guys to recreate it.
I am down for some cookies.
I mean, I can eat cookies all day.
All day.
I'm pretty much the cookie monster.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's bring it. Let's go.
Let's do this. Here it is! You're just done. Oh, we made
Yo.
it. Thank God that scooter was there because we parked so far.
Seriously, that was like vroom vroom, baby.
Yeah, but I'm ready for some cookies.
Cookie good.
Do it.
Let's go. Oh, what?
Hi.
Yo.
It smells so good in
So
here.
sweet. I love it.
We're gonna get you guys. Okay, what do we want? We
So-
definitely need
The Caramel Pretzel Chocolate Chunk. Yeah. Get it. That's what we want.
We'll do two of
Two,
those.
one of each.
But everything else looks so good.
Wow.
I'm like in
Red
heaven
velvet,
right now.
birthday cake.
Who's like the master
have to.
baker?
Ross.
We maybe talk to him?
Yeah, let me go grab him.
Thank you.
Master baker.
Hi.
Yo.
I'm Lauren.
Hey, welcome.
Nice to meet
Benson,
you.
hey.
Ross.
We are challenged to have to recreate this cookie, and I was wondering if you have any tips for us that might make it easier, because we're not bakers.
Don't mess it up.
Okay, okay.
No, I mean, I think the only tip is, as you can see, the cookie is not perfect, which makes it kind of perfect. So don't be afraid to let the caramel ooze out.
That was
Okay.
beautiful. That was beautiful.
The big reveal.
Wow. I like the pretzel on top. That's a nice little.
It's super gooey. I'm
Dude.
gonna do the cookie break.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Boom.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's so good.
There's a lot more chocolate than I thought there was.
Do you think that you can make this cookie?
Yeah, 100%.
You do?
It's like chocolate chip, but with caramel.
Yeah?
It can't be that. I mean, I'm not a baker.
Okay, I think we should try.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go.
All right.
I'm not ready. Okay. A lot of bowl options here. Oh, you confused?
What?
Not sure?
No. I'm just. Sometimes you just gotta open it up, greet it, say hello,
Yeah.
let it know you're gonna use it, show some love. Ooh, you're doing everything so differently from me right now.
Yeah, why are you doing it so differently?
I don't know.
That's crazy.
What?
All right. What do I need? Sugars. I need my sugars. How you feeling? How you doing?
I'm good.
Yeah?
I'm good. I'm
Good.
just saying hello to the eggs.
Can you do a one-handed?
Please.
Does that look creamed? I feel like that's creamed-esque. What are you doing? Oh, that's
Flour. Yo,
That's fine.
whoa.
just making sure. Ah, my arm hurts. I gotta work out more.
I only work out for the kitchen. Ugh, making the mess.
My hands are shaking.
Larson, you gotta get it together, okay?
20 minutes!
How much salt?
Oh, you're just gonna wing it like that? No, do it. That's fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna just wing it like that.
Uh-oh.
Larson, you can just quit now if you want. Like,
No.
Lauren, like, no one's stopping you.
Oh, look at these chunks. Oh, baby. Okay.
Bro, these are fire!
What?
Perfect! I have no time. Oh, you're.
Nope. Hey. I saw that. You just.
What?
You looked at mine for tips.
No.
Oh, shit. Tacky mushrooms. Mine's gonna be really good. Oh.
Ooh,
like that.
going with 7, baby. You got the top one? Game. History's been made. Nope. Oh! Okay, perfect.
So I feel like the most important part with these cookies was the whole pretzel on top and the caramel oozing out. So I tried to stick the caramel a little bit on the outsides of the cookies and made sure to get the most beautiful whole pretzels. Damn it, Madison! I was hung. I shouldn't have said it. No!
3 tips on making the perfect cookie. 1, let the opponent think that you have a special ingredient. You don't. 2, look at all her tips, figure out what she's doing, do what she does. 3, just have a good time. Boom! Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah.
1,
1, 2,
2,
3,
3.
8, 9,
Ow!
10,
No!
11,
12,
12,
13,
14.
14!
Alright, let's check these.
30 seconds.
I don't want to burn
Oh, babe, I
myself.
got you.
Get ready.
What? No! Did you say time?
Oh! I forgot the salt.
Are you guys ready for 10 minutes?
No.
What's up, Ethan?
Hey.
Welcome. We're so excited for you to try our
Caramel Pretzel Chocolate Chunk. Do you think that these look... Well, you know what? I'm just going to let you try them, actually.
All right.
Yeah.
And we'll see.
Yeah.
who
All right.
wins. Taste them well. Pick the right one.
Oh, this one's good. It's a little dry on top, but it's chewy in the middle. I'm not getting a lot of caramel, but there's a salt layer on top. And I'm gonna try the other one. This one's pretty good. I didn't get a lot of sweetness or anything. It was just mostly cookie. No ingredients otherwise. I would say this one's the winner.
Oh my god. Yes! Ethan! Yo, literally last night I was like, Ethan, my boy, I was praying. I was just like, yo.
I like this one the most. It's not nearly as good as the one from Cookie Good.
That's
But
true.
between these two, it's definitely the better one.
My feelings don't matter here.
I'm sorry.
I'm done.
That was so jacked up. I'm so sorry.